Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Oh, good morning. I'm on the run. It's Friday and I didn't paint yesterday and I'm not painting today. We're gonna have rainy weather for several days and there's like a gazillion things out in the yard that I need to do. So I'm going to try to paint tomorrow and do this gardening stuff while the sun is shining. So I have all these pressing things. I had a whole row of strawberries sitting down here over the winter. I got like 60 plants started from just runners from like one mama plant. And so now I have to figure out what to do with the strawberries. And I figured out I could put a little shelf on Stanley's house. So I built this little shelf here and it has all my strawberries, and now they get some sun there, but they're not too big that they're blocking my fruit trees. Stanley, as you can see, is just, this is Stanley, the one in full bloom, and it even survived this cold snow we just had, the big heavy wet snow. I'm so excited. I think we're gonna have a bumper crop of plums if the weather cooperates. And of course you saw me working on the pond in my last video. After my increasing the area of the planting bed and putting new gravel in there and hooking up my little pond pump and the compressor that's activating this bubbler on the side. I have 2 solar bubblers, pumps for the 2 more bubblers. There's actually like split tubes on one of those, so there's 2 bubblers attached to this solar pump and 1 bubbler attached to that. My favorite solar pump is this one. I don't know the brand, but that's what it looks like underneath. It's great because it doesn't have a battery. It just runs to a little motor. And I had a previous one that worked for years and finally stopped working because it took a lot of abuse out in the winter every year. And now I have a new one and it's great. This one, not too happy with because it has a battery that needs charging with a USB cord and it keeps running out. So my preference is definitely for this one. But anyway, I wanted to show you how clear the water is. You can really see the dirt at the bottom of the pool now. And of course, all the little tubes and stuff, which is not too attractive. But when this ground cover, you know, spreads out around the edge, it looks a little better. And this is just a test pond after all. I'm going to get rid of this blue thing eventually. All right, that's it for now. also have this little clematis vine down here, which I just planted it last year and it decided to grow like crazy, and so I had to make a trellis for it. So yesterday afternoon I built this trellis. Can you see? I built it out of just some scrap wood that I got when I was scavenging for the old fence that they took down. I have a whole bunch of fence panels, but they had a whole bunch of little strips that they cut off. I'm not done with the top yet. So, and I've been up on the roof to see what my pots are doing. And this is experimental. This is the second summer I'm growing these. And I planted some seeds last fall, some like kale and cold winter veg. But they didn't really do anything, and now everything is coming up like crazy. And I planted some more seeds a couple months ago, and now everything is coming up. So today I have a lot of stuff to do for art customers that doesn't involve painting. I am waiting for a shipper to pick up a painting that's going somewhere. They forgot to send me the paperwork for the shipping, so I don't know where it's going. I am so happy because a nice couple in New York are buying another big landscape. I'm really psyched about that. So I have to make an invoice for them and send that to them. And I have another customer who wants a print, and I have to get a quote on a print from the printer I use in Boulder. So I'm just kind of scrambling. And get back to painting sometime soon, I hope.
swing from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down,